Hey guys, this is episode 3 of creating WordPress blog. So far we create beautiful website or beautiful blog, and we add a menu, but the issue is our homepage is not good enough, so we have to fix this issue. So in episode 3 we are going to fix this issue and finish our work. So first of all, I have to go to dashboard. I will pause all the tabs, and yeah, I'm in dashboard. After that, I have to go to appearance and customize. In here we have to check documentation about how to modify this landing homepage or landing page. So we have to find documentation. To find documentation, I go to import theme link and click on documentation. After that, I have to click on homepage setting. When I go to homepage setting, there has few ways to configure homepage setting and how to add widgets to homepage. But I already read this documentation, and let's follow it concept. First of all, we have to create a page. So if you follow with me and install this theme, you can follow the same method, but if you try different theme, you have to check the documentation and fix your homepage of blog site. So I go to pages and click on add new. This page name will be home, home. Then I have to set template as homepage. Then I have to click on publish. After that, I have to go to setting and reading. In reading, I have to set this as static and front page as my homepage. After that, I click on save changes. Then I have to go to appearance and widget. Those all these steps are in documentation, but I already referred it as I said before. So let's fix this. So we have to add widget to this section. So first one is home top section. In here I add NP feature slider, and I select those categories, those 4 categories, and this one for featured post category, and I click on save. After that, I have to add home page middle section or home middle section. To home middle section, I will add NP recent post. Let's add NP featured post. Let's add NP carousel. I don't know how to spell that word, by the way. Let's add this one and click on save. Then I can add middle aside. That means right side of this template. I will add recent post. Then I will click on save. Okay, let's see, is there any changes on our home page? Yes, we add our slider to this part and this part, and there has recent post, but I don't like this one, but so I have to change it part. So change that part. By the way, that is home middle aside, and I delete this one. After that, I add featured post. Then I will click like this and click on save. Let's refresh the home page. Okay, nice. Now we have nice looking home page. So when you add more post to your blog, those space will be filled and you will get really awesome blogging website. So there has more things that you should do to your WordPress blog site, but this is the main thing. So when you fill those things, you will able to add your own posts. So there has more about SEO and page speed, security, and whole lot thing when we try to create blog with WordPress. So I have video playlist. I will put the link on description. Just follow those videos and find the best practice and improve your blog site. So I hope you get valuable information in this video series, and thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe and put your comment. I will see you in next time. Bye bye.